In this video, I will show you how to map a custom domain to the Help Center in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. At the top of the screen, click on Settings. Once you're on your settings board, scroll down under Channels and click on Help Center. In the Help Center board, click on the link shown on your screen. This will take you to another board. Next, click on Access Settings and then select Custom Domain. You will be redirected to another tab. From here, click Map New Domain. Enter your desired domain name, and then you can copy it from your first tab and paste it here. Then click Save and Next. You've now successfully mapped your custom domain to your Zoho Desk Help Center. And that's how to map a custom domain to the Help Center in Zoho Desk.